Hello, welcome to Casual English with Amy. Today, English vocabulary with handwriting practice. The free workbook that you can get at my website. It's just casual-english.com, and you can download this free workbook, work through this, and if you're a teacher, you can use this in your classroom. But this is really helpful for learning vocabulary because I have picture clues here. So this is what the workbook looks like and the layout. So there is the letter, upper and lowercase, and then we have some vocabulary that you can practice writing those words out. Apple, actor, arrow, alligator, ant. So as we work through this, say the word after me if you can, or replay it and listen to it. And say your words then. Okay, bed, ball, barn, bus, banana, C, car, carrots, cat, clock, cake, D, dog, drum, duck, donut, doctor. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps YouTube offer my videos to other people. And here is what my website looks like. The first picture up there, then the website link. So go over there and visit the website for more free resources. Okay, E, elephant, egg, eagle, elf, envelope, F, fish, flower, football, frog, fire truck, G or G, glasses, goat, girl, giraffe, guitar, H, horse, house, hat, heart, hammer, I, igloo, ice cream, island, iguana, iron. This depends if that vowel is long or short. J, jar, jeans, jacket, jelly, juice, K, koala, key, kite, king, kiwi. Great job. L, lamb, lunch, lion, lobster, llama. M, monkey, mermaid, melon, mouse, moon, nest, nest, nose, ninja, newspaper, nail, O, octopus, owl, onion, oatmeal, orange. P. This is a plosive word, a letter. P. Pickles, pig, pear, pumpkin, piano. Q. Queen, quill, quiet, question, quarter. R, race car, rose, rabbit, rainbow, robot. Again, here's my website where you can find a copy of this workbook for free. Just go there and you can download it, print it out, and practice. Okay, S, snake, sun, smile, snowman, snail. T, turtle, tuba, tooth, tomato, tree. You're doing great. Okay, U, umbrella, up, uncle, underwear, unicorn. V, violin, volcano, vase, vulture, vegetables. W, world, water, wheel, wagon, whale. Almost done. You're doing great. X, X-ray, exit, fox, xylophone, 6. Y, yellow, yak, yawn, yarn, yard. Great job. Last one. Z, zipper, zebra, zero, zoo, zigzag. Great job. Okay, on my website, these are 2 other pictures that are called sliders that are on there. This top one is my daughter, and the bottom one is there too, about all of those free resources. So please pop over to the website and take a look at all of those free resources and information on the course that will be available at the end of September 2021. So please click the like button and subscribe for more videos on things that I'm working on for you. Okay, thank you so much. Bye for now.